Yo, what's going on, guys? It's iHelper, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to amplify your speakers that doubles as much as Apple lets you amplify them. So, unfortunately, you're going to need to be jailbroken for this, and you're going to want to install a tweak called Volume Amplifier from Cydia. Now, this is a paid tweak, so you're going to have to pay, I think I just paid $199 or so. But you're gonna open it up, and they email you a code that you have to put in, and then you put your email in, and then it activates. So I'm gonna open this up and then scroll this down a little bit so you guys can't see anything. So let me activate that. There we go. It comes up and it says, "Read carefully." And then it says it can blow your speakers out if you have it up too loud and it sounds really fuzzy. Then I myself encourage you to turn it down a little bit, or a lot of it, depending on when it stops to be fuzzy. But I don't know if any of my information is going to pop up, so I'm going to scroll this back down. I click agree, and then it says volume amplifier you have activated successfully, as you can see right there. I click OK, and I'm going to go to my home screen. And then that's it. So, now to make this tweak work, I'm going to open up a copyright-free song. Oop, there's an ad. Sorry about that. So this song is the Eden Project Statues. And that is as loud as Apple lets you play it. So now what you're going to want to do is sorry if you couldn't hear me. But what you're going to want to do is while it's playing, just turn it up. You'll see what I mean. I'm going to push play, and then I'm going to turn the volume up and watch what the volume HUD says. And then also listen to how much louder it gets.
And watch it fall to pieces. The aftermath of passive violence. He said that she said she did. And oh, I got a feeling I think you should know. I'm trying to find hope. There's nothing left to hold. I'm stuck down here in this hole. I'll dig my way out. I'll stand just like a statue, just like you, acting like the sky's just about to fall.
Now, as you guys can tell, but this tweak helps so much, especially if you're in a very loud place and you're trying to listen to music. It actually even works on headphones. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helps you guys increase the volume on your speakers on your iPhone, or iPod, or iPad. Now, you cannot jailbreak the iPod, so the iPod 5th generation or 6th generation as of right now. You will be able to jailbreak the 6th gen eventually, but as of right now, it is not working properly. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and if it helped you out, maybe even subscribe for more content like this, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.